seashore.
Lakeshore?
Oh, that's what it is, National Lakeshore. So we're on the boat right now with our sea kayaks loaded above, and we are heading out. Excited. Here we go. Okay, we are on the sea kayak. What's the name of the company again? Pictured Rocks Kayaking.
PaddlePicturedRocks.com.
I believe the website is paddlepicturedrocks.com. That's the tour group we went with. They brought us here on a big boat with all the kayaks up on top, and they unloaded them and unloaded us. Process was pretty simple, and now we're sitting in the kayak.
And the boat ride was really stable.
Yeah.
I didn't feel any like.
And several things. One, it's extremely warm in my kayak. They give you this splat. What do they call it? Skirt, ski skirt, sea skirt, splash skirt. It's very warm in the kayak. You don't need shoes at all, really.
Where are they?
And not that I want to talk about it because then it brings it to light, but however, the big boat is kind of like following us, so if I had to pee, I can summons the boat and they'll let me pee, which puts my mind at ease, which will actually make me not have to pee, knowing that there is a way for me to pee. So if you have pee anxiety like me, that's it. So they call this Limbo Cave. We're literally in a cave right now. This is amazing. See that boat right there somewhere? That boat is going to give us some big waves. Ooh, big waves, babe. Hang tight. Big waves. Okay. Around every corner is something just so beautiful. Literally. And the sun came out, which, I don't know, it's almost nicer when the sun was in. But it feels nice. The tour is $168 at the time of filming here in summer 2023 per person. You're actually on the water for about, what'd they say, about 2 hours? But the whole 2.5 hours, but the whole tour is about 5 hours. Well worth it. Truth be told, we haven't done the hike yet, but I mean, this is a pretty amazing way to see the Pictured Rocks. It's got to be the best way to see it. What do you think? It's got to be the best way to see it.
We'll find out.
I mean, we're going to find out, it's right, but it's gorgeous. And there's Grand Falls up there, but I don't think we're kayaking to it. Rock.